Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR SSL protocol error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to clear browser cache, and it's very easy. Simply open Google Chrome, click on these three dots here at the top right corner, select history and then click history here, or you can press Ctrl plus H, click on clear browsing data, change this to all time and then click on clear data. The next solution is to sync system date and time. How would we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. And now make sure that the switch for set time automatically is checked and set time zone automatically is checked. And now click on sync now. The next solution is to disable third party extension. And how do we do this? So click on these three dots here and select extension, manage extensions. Now I don't have any extensions here, but I'll show you how we can add an extension and remove this. Let's say that I had added this one. Okay. So once it is added here, if you wish to remove it, because this is a very problematic extension, that's why I'm giving you its example, then disable it. If this helps you solve the problem, then click on remove and then click on remove once again to remove it. The next solution is to disable the quick protocol. Now how would we do this? I have a path here and then go to this path and you'll find this option called experimental quick protocol. By default change it to disabled and then you will have to relaunch the browser, which has been relaunched now. The next solution is to clear the SSL state. Now for this, search for control panel in the window search bar and open the control panel window. Now you can go to this option here, network and sharing center, and then select internet options and then go to this option here, content, click on clear SSL state and then click on OK. After this, go to the security tab and you have this option here for the security level. Make sure that it is at medium. Okay, medium is the lowest one here. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.